If your Xbox Series X console has become dusty, including the cooling fan, so it makes a lot of noises when you're gaming, then here's the correct way to dust your Xbox Series X console without opening and clean the cooling fan without taking it out. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that your Xbox is turned off and disconnect all the cable that's connected to it. Now at the back of your console, these openings are for air intake, and there should be a lot of dust in here. To clean this part, you can use any soft bristle brush or even a toothbrush. Just dust it off, and while you're at it, also give the ports a good clean. Then you can use an air blower if you have any, or even a handheld air pump to clear all the loose dust and debris. If you have an electronic air blower, then you can also blow air through the intake, and the air will come out from the top vents where the cooling fan is. This may dislodge a lot of dust, so what can help in this case is a vacuum cleaner. So if you have a vacuum, then you can hold it at the top while you're blowing air from the bottom, and this way it will create a lot less mess. And using vacuum is totally safe unless you're touching any electronics directly. Now we can lay our Xbox at its side, which will expose the bottom vents. And we'll also clean this the same way like before. And finish it off with an air blower if you have any. After we have cleaned the bottom vents, now it's time to clean the top vent and the cooling fan. First we'll start off by cleaning the vents, and after that the cooling fan. And as you can see, it's way down there, but we can still clean it if we use an elongated object like a tweezer or a prying tool to hold the fan still, and then we can use a Q-tip, or we can also use a cloth attached to a stick, and then we can scrape off the dust from the fan blades. This will take quite a bit of time, as we don't want to open up our Xbox, but be patient and clean these blades one by one. After that, you can take an air blower or compressed air can to blow off all the loose dirt. And with this, we have cleaned all the vents as much as possible. Now it's time to clean the exterior. Let's clean the disk drive opening first. And after that, it's best to use a microfiber cloth or towel like this to wipe all the smudges and dust built up on your Xbox console. If you don't have a microfiber cloth, you can use any cotton cloth that you have. In case your Xbox console is too dirty and it has fingerprint marks all around, then what you can do is use an alcohol pad or isopropyl alcohol, or any sort of cloth cleaner to wipe off all the gunk. After you're done, your Xbox Series X console will feel squeaky clean, just like it's right out of the box. And that's how you can clean your Xbox Series X console and the cooling fan without opening it up. So if this helped, you can let us know by dropping a like, subscribe to support our channel, and game on.